Well, we're stopping in Backpackers here. We're on the second floor and just felt the movement. My husband didn't actually wake up to start with. I think it's a quake, wake up. And
it kept going for quite a while. The quake was quite slow to start off with, then built up to quite a high one.
People are just edgy, not knowing really quite what to do for the best.
The fact is that they were running on for quite a while after the big one. We thought it had ended, and then it kept going on beyond that. So it's now just a case of wondering, is there any more to come?